कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकायचा. So last lecture we studied electric field intensity due to infinite sheet charge, and the expression that we have obtained is electric field intensity E bar is equal to rho s upon 2 epsilon naught A bar z volts per meter, right? This was the scenario in which we have studied, we have assumed the sheet charge which is present, which is placed on xy plane, right? So let us assume this is x plane, this is y, and this is z, right? So your sheet charge is placed in this xy plane, right? And we have assumed the point charge is present somewhere here. That is what a positive side of that sheet on z direction, right? That's why we have obtained this A bar z, right? In general, I'm going to write here now electric field intensity. We got this A bar z term here because we have assumed this surface charge on xy plane, right? If I assume this surface charge on a xz plane, in that case I will get A bar y, right? So if I get this surface on yz plane, this A bar z becomes A bar x, right? So in general, I'm going to write this now. In general, E bar is equal to, or we can now call it as ES bar because it is electric field intensity due to surface charge or sheet charge. ES bar is equal to rho s upon 2 epsilon naught A bar n. What is A bar n? A bar n is the direction normal to the given surface or sheet charge, right? So this is what in general I want to write. Now you may have a surface in a xy plane, right? Now I'm going to tell you three scenarios. If your surface is in xy plane, right, and we want to find the electric field intensity at this point, so what would be the value of this A bar n? A bar n will be equal to A bar z, right? So this is on a positive side of this z. That's why we can write this as a A bar z. Next is suppose the point where we want the electric field intensity is under this surface. So this would be the direction of that A bar n, right? So A bar n, what is the value of A bar n? A bar n is equal to minus A bar z. Are you getting? So that's why I have just replaced this A bar z by A bar n, right? So this is a new or revised expression for electric field intensity because of surface charge. This is scenario number 1. Scenario number 2. Let us assume we have a surface on a xz plane. You have xz plane. So this is xz plane, right? So suppose if the point charge is here, point where you want the electric field intensity is here, and this is the direction of normal. So in that case, A bar n is equal to, this is on positive side of y-axis, so A bar y will be the value of that. Another situation, if the point where we want the electric field intensity, if it is on this side, then this will be the normal from that surface, right? In that case, A bar n is equal to minus A bar y, right? And third scenario, if the surface is placed on, let's say yz plane. This is yz plane, right? If the point where we want the electric field intensity is positive, then that A bar n will have value equal to A bar x. And if the point is here, and if you want the electric field intensity at this point, then A bar n will be equal to minus A bar x, right? So A bar n will take a value A bar z or minus A bar z or minus A bar y or minus A bar y or plus A bar y. Then it may take A bar x or minus A bar x, right? 6 possibilities are there. That's why I have just replaced that with A bar n. So depending upon the situation, we can write the value, write the unit vector for this normal. Normal means it's a perpendicular from a given surface. Clear? Why I have replaced this A bar z by A bar n? Understood why I have written this in place of A bar z? Why I have written A bar n?
Yes, yes, sir.
सिनेरिओ आपण काल जे डिराईव्ह करत होतो त्याच्यामध्ये काय अज्युम केलेलं एक्स वाय प्लेन मध्ये सरफेस घेतलेला आणि जो पॉइंट होता तो झेड ऍक्सिस वरती घेतलेला. त्यामुळे आपल्याला आन्सर काय मिळालं? पॉझिटिव्ह ए बार झेड. जर तो पॉइंट खाली असेल, त्या सरफेसच्या खाली असेल, झेड ऍक्सिस वर असेल, तर त्या ठिकाणी तो मायनस ए बार झेड येईल. त्याच पद्धतीने अदर दारा डॉक्टर जाऊ द्या, आता त्याच्याकडे लक्ष द्यायला पाहिजे ना. नाही, इन्व्हाइट परमिशन मागताय. So this is what I want to add upon previous whatever thing we have derived. Now today we are going to solve some examples which are very important as far as your examinations are concerned, and it gives you a lot of marks if they are being asked. Not a possibility actually, very frequently those kinds of examples are being asked in examination. So that kind of example would definitely give you 8 marks if you solve it correctly, right? So few examples we will solve today based on the concept that we have learned in last lecture, as well as the expression that we have studied in electric field intensity due to line charge, right? So now you are aware about 3 different charge configurations. One of them is point charge, right? Karan Shingare, hai na? Karan Shingare is from.
Aye, sir. Aye.
Okay. Here. So up till now we have studied 3 types of charge configurations. One is this point charge, another one is line charge, and third one is surface charge, right? So today we have done a little modification here. A bar z we have written, right? Now we will try to solve the examples where we have all those point charge, line charge, and surface charge in a single example, and we will try to find the electric field intensity at a certain point. So just to explain that, what I would create here is you want the electric field intensity at this point. Let us assume you want the electric field intensity at point P, and you have a charge Q. This is another point charge. So you have to calculate the electric field intensity at point P. Then you have a line charge, right? So rho L is specified in that case. So this line charge will be present there, as well as a surface. So charge is distributed on the surface, right? So because of this surface charge, line charge, and point charge, you want to find the electric field intensity at this point P. So for that case, you have to find the vector. Then you would be able to find E bar P, EP bar, right? So this is the electric field intensity because of point charge. Then you need to find the electric field intensity because of line charge, that is EL bar, and then you can find the electric field intensity because of this surface charge, that is ES bar. And finally, you can write E bar at P is equal to EP bar plus EL bar plus ES bar. Are you getting? If I have given you the point and line charge, point charge, and surface charge, how will you calculate the electric field intensity at point P, right? So to solve such kind of examples, let us proceed. Hope you are ready with pen and notebook. So you have to find example. You can take a note of this. Find electric field intensity E bar at origin. So now the point where we want the electric field intensity is at origin. So coordinates of origin are 0, 0, 0. If following charge distributions, I would say configurations are present. So number 1 in that, point charge of 12 nanocoulomb at 2, 0, 6. Second charge configuration is that you are having line charge of, let's say, 3 nanocoulomb per meter at x is equal to x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, right? And third charge configuration is surface charge, or you may call it as sheet charge. Surface charge of what would be the unit for this? 0.2 nanocoulomb per meter square at x is equal to 2, right? So these are different charge configurations are present in the free space, and you need to find the electric field intensity at point at the origin, that is 0, 0, 0, right? So how you can proceed to solve this example, how you can find the answer for this? For that you need to find the given things. So if I list out the given, you have a point charge Q is equal to 12 nanocoulomb. Then you have in this line charge, what they have given? Rho L. Rho L is the line charge density they have given, 3 nanocoulomb per meter, and plus they have given rho S. Value of rho S is 0.2 nanocoulomb per meter square, right? So these are this is the information that they have given. Now to proceed with finding electric field intensity E bar at origin due to point charge, right? So for that you can draw origin. So let's say this is origin having coordinate 0, 0, 0, and you have a charge, point charge they have given, Q is equal to, what is that value? 12 nanocoulomb. Where it is located? 12 nanocoulomb is located at 2, 0, 6, right? So this is the location. Now we can find out the electric field intensity because of this point charge from this point at origin, right? So this is the direction of vector r bar. So let us assume this as a vector r. Now in that case, what is the value of r? Can someone calculate? Calculate this vector r bar. R bar is equal to 0 minus 0 a bar x, right? Sorry, this is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 a bar x plus 0 minus 0 a bar y plus 0 minus 6 a bar z. So if you calculate this is equal to what is that value? Minus 2 a bar x minus 6 a bar z, right? So from this you can calculate a bar r. A bar r is equal to minus 2 a bar x minus 6 a bar z divided by if you calculate this magnitude would be 6.325 if you check, right? Why I have calculated? Because I want to use the formula EP bar is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square a bar r, right? So this formula you need to use. So can someone calculate and tell me the answer if possible? We have solved lot of such examples. सगळे जर आपापले कॅमेरा ऑन करा, बघू किती जण जागे आहेत, किती जण झोपलेत. मी सांगितल्यानंतर सुद्धा 45 जणांनी आपापले रोल नंबर्स त्या चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये लिहिलेत. ज्यावेळी मी सांगेन त्याच वेळी त्याच्यामध्ये तुमचे रोल नंबर्स टाकायचे. सगळ्यांनी कॅमेरा ऑन करा, बघूत किती जण जागे आहेत. टर्न ऑन युअर कॅमेराज. सोनाली ममाने, रुपाली पवार लेफ्ट मीटिंग. ओके, बर. गायत्री कुंतला लेफ्ट मीटिंग. Okay. See, while doing this, while attending EMAR lecture, a kind request is that you have to be honest with you. You have to be honest with yourself, right? Otherwise what will happen, see, if the lectures goes in one way, then in that case it will not help you to clear the EMAR subject, right? Now you can close, you can turn off your cameras now. I can understand only 50% have responded to this activity, but you have to be honest with your. Sanket, turn off your this thing. Right. So I just have asked you one question to solve the electric field intensity because of this point charge, where I have given you the formula. I have helped you to calculate the unit vector. You just have to calculate this electric field due to point charge. So let me solve this further. So electric field intensity because of point charge, EP bar is equal to what value is given for point charge. They have given 12 into 10 raised to minus 9, right? This is 12 nanocoulomb. So 12 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 4 pi. Epsilon naught is 10 raised to minus 9 upon 36 pi into 40, right? Into unit vector is minus 2 a bar x minus 6 a bar z divided by 6.325, right? So if you calculate this one, you can get this term calculated and then finally do the division. you will get the answer is equal to check with your answer. This is 0.426 into minus 2 a bar x minus 6 a bar z, right? So if I multiply this inside this, EP bar is equal to minus 0.853 a bar x minus 2.56 a bar z. This is answer for your verification. Unit of this is volts per meter. So this is the electric field at origin because of point charge. Now, second part of this example is to find the electric field intensity at this point charge at origin 0, 0, 0 because of a line charge. So line charge is present somewhere here. So let me draw this line in this fashion. Scale use करता थी क्या ह्याच्यावर? So this is a line charge, and what are the coordinates they have given for line charge? What information they have given for the line charge? Rho L, value of rho L is equal to 3 nanocoulomb per meter. This is the value they have given, and this line is present at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Right, so x coordinate and y coordinate are already known to you. Now, yesterday somebody has asked me why the perpendicular is extended on a given line charge. So let me tell you, while finding the electric field intensity because of line charge, we have to select a small segment of this line, right? Then only we can find the differential electric field. And to find this differential electric field, we should select a small segment, and where we should select that small segment where we know the coordinates. So म्हणजेच मी काय जर याला परपेंडिक्युलरली एक्सटेंड केलं याच्यावरती, तर माझ्याकडे याचा x कोऑर्डिनेट आहे, y कोऑर्डिनेट आहे, म्हणजेच या पॉइंटला मला z कोऑर्डिनेट याच्याकडून घेता येईल. म्हणजेच या पॉइंटचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स काय झाले? So what are the coordinates of this point? So here we got a new point which is perpendicular, as I said. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 3, and z coordinate we will take it from origin. So 2, 3, 0 are the new coordinates that we have obtained here. Now we want to find the electric field intensity at the given origin, and for that we have to find this vector r bar, right? So to find this vector r bar, we have formula. What is that? How to calculate r? R is equal to, r bar is equal to 0 minus 2 a bar x, then plus 0 minus 3 a bar y, plus 0 minus 0 a bar z, right? So what value of this r bar you are getting? R bar is equal to
minus 2 a bar x minus 3 a bar y.
Correct, absolutely correct. R bar is equal to minus 2 a bar x minus 3 a bar y. So from this I can write unit vector also. Unit vector a bar r is equal to minus 2 a bar x minus 3 a bar y divided by this would be 3.61 if you calculate, right? Now you are able to use the expression for finding electric field intensity due to line charge. That is EL bar is equal to, what is the expression? Rho L upon 2 pi epsilon naught R A bar R. Right. So this is equal to, what is the value of rho L? Value of rho L is 3 nanocoulomb per meter. So 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 2 pi epsilon naught is 10 raised to minus 9 upon 36 pi, right, into 3.61 into unit vector is minus 2 a bar x minus 3 a bar y divided by 3.61. Yes, 3.61. दीपाली आनंदपुरे नाही पण आता जॉईन होतात. दीपाली आनंदपुरे joined almost 35 minutes late. So to solve this, you can solve this by using calculator. So EL bar, what is the value of that you are getting? I will directly write the final answer now. Minus 8.3 a bar x minus 2.48 a bar y volts per meter. हे बरोबर असेल.
Got it, sir.
हाँ, you got it. बाकीच्यांना भेटतंय का? So I'm just writing the answers directly here because I cannot show you the calculator and calculations. I told you the way in which we can calculate it. तुम्हाला व्हेरिफिकेशन्स ला आन्सर देतोय. जर तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करत असाल तर तुम्हाला ते व्हेरीफाय करता येतील. जर कॅल्क्युलेट नसाल करत, you have to believe on my answers and you have to assume, you have to consider that is correct, right? Now next step is very important. Next part of this example is very important because we want to find the electric field intensity because of sheet charge, right? Now you have a surface, you have a sheet charge. Let us assume this surface you are having on which the charge is uniformly distributed. So what is the charge density they have given? Rho S is equal to 0.2 nanocoulomb per meter square. Right, so this is what rho S, value of rho S they have given, and where it is located, x is equal to 2, right? So this is the plane where x is located. Now we have to find the electric field intensity at origin, and we know that origin means 0, 0, 0. So where I have to draw this origin? If I consider this at x is equal to 2, so origin would be in this direction or in this direction. Origin कोणत्या बाजूला असेल? हा x is equal to 2 ला आहे surface, तर origin left ला असेल की right ला असेल?
Left ला.
Of course, the origin will be on left side. So origin O 0, 0, 0. Okay, and we have to find the electric field intensity at this point because of this surface charge. So this would not be there. Left side ला काय ड्रॉ केला एवढं तरी समजलं सर्वांना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Hi, sir.
Now I want to use the formula E bar, or what notation we have considered for this ES surface. ES bar is equal to, can anyone tell what is the formula? Rho S upon 2,
epsilon naught.
epsilon naught A bar n. Right. So this is the formula for finding electric field intensity, let's say at this point because of this surface charge. Right. Now in this case, tell me what is the value of A bar n. What is the value of A bar n?
A bar z.
बघा आपण एक्स डायरेक्शन बद्दल बोलतोय आणि सरफेस कडून लेफ्टला जाताना एक्स डायरेक्शन ही निगेटिव्ह असणार आहे. मी आत्ताच तुम्हाला 6 सिनॅरिओ दाखवलेले. सरफेस एक्स वरती आहे आणि एक्स ला नॉर्मल जाणारे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आपण काढतोय, ती पण लेफ्ट साइडला, म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह. दिस ए बार एन विल बी इक्वल टू मायनस ए बार एक्स. जर आपल्याला या बाजूला इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड काढायची असती तर या डायरेक्शनला ए बार एन इज इक्वल टू काय असला असता, ए बार एक्स, म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह ए बार एक्स घ्यावा लागला असता. पण आपण निगेटिव्हला जातोय या बाजूला. दॅट्स वाय वी आर टेकिंग ए बार एन इज इक्वल टू ए बार एक्स. होप दिस मेक्स अ सेन्स अँड व्हाय वी हॅव टेकन ए बार एन इज इक्वल टू ए बार मायनस ए बार एक्स. Now you can put the values into this expression. E bar s is equal to, what is the value of rho s? Rho s is 0.2. 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 36 pi. Right? And multiplied by minus a bar x. Right. So this is what electric field intensity because of surface charge is. Now if you calculate this, value of ES bar is equal to minus 11.29 a bar x. Right. Now here you have calculated electric field intensity because of point charge, line charge, and surface charge. Now to obtain the total electric field intensity at origin, you have to add all those electric field intensities. That means, as I said, E bar at origin is equal to, so this is EP bar plus EL bar plus ES bar. So can someone do this calculation and tell me the answer? Add all those electric field intensities and tell me the final answer. By the time students can mention their roll numbers in the chat box. दाराडी यार तुमच्या लेक्चरला येत का? बीईच्या क्लासमध्ये बसतंय का दारा डीआर? डॉक्टर डीआर म्हणून आहे, दारा डीआर. इथं.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Answer is 7.4.
answer is
7
7.4. Okay.
7.426 a bar x plus 12.48 a bar y minus 2.562 a bar z.
2.562 minus 12. First one is, what is the coefficient of a bar x?
7.4.
7.4. Huh, correct. Let me check. A bar x. Some mistake is there. Actually, the answer is minus 20.44 a bar
Yes, sir.
x.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do the addition properly. In all the electric fields, we have x coefficients. We have x coefficients. So answer is minus 20.444 a bar x minus 12.48 a bar y minus 2.55 a bar z. Volts per meter is the final answer for this example. All of you got this answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From B division?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, a similar example we will take for solving this. Calculate the electric field intensity. Next example, take a note of this. Calculate electric field intensity E bar at point at point. Wait. कुठली माझी E bar at 1, 1, minus 1, right? Due to, again, I'm going to give you 3 different charge configurations. So due to number 1, a point charge, due to a point charge of Q equal to 5 millicoulomb at 1, 0, 0. Second, a line charge density, a line charge density rho L is equal to 10 nanocoulomb per meter located at x is equal to 0, z is equal to 2. Next is 3. A plane, that means a sheet charge, x equal to 4, carry rho s is equal to 10 nanocoulomb per meter square. Right. So again, 3 charge configurations are given. Archana Keskar, is this a time to join the class? So once again, we have 3 charges and we need to find the electric field intensity at point, at which point? Let us say we want the electric field intensity at this point. Let us say this point is P and we want the electric field intensity at point P 1, 1, minus 1, right? So you have 3 charge configurations. First is this one. So Q, first charge configuration is point charge. Q is equal to 5 millicoulomb they have given. Location is 1, 0, 0. Right? So first thing you need to find the electric field intensity because of this point charge. So let us consider this as a R1, or let's say RP. RP bar you need to find. Then you can use the electric field to find the electric field intensity because of point charges. Let's say Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square A bar R. Now in this case RP. Right? So you can get this EP bar. Similarly, you have a line charge. So here is the line charge, and this line charge you have to extend a perpendicular from given point. Then only you can get another point somewhere here. This line charge rho is having rho L equal to 10 nanocoulomb per meter. Right? So 10 nanocoulomb per meter. In that case, you have to consider this vector as RL bar, and you can find electric field intensity because of this line charge EL is equal to rho L upon 2 pi. What is that? 2 pi? What is that? 2 pi epsilon naught R L A bar RL. Right? So you can use this formula to obtain electric field intensity because of line charge. And similarly, we have a surface here. So the charge is uniformly distributed here, and we want the electric field intensity at this point. So in that case, you have to find this RS bar. RS bar is the vector extended from surface to the point, right? Now in this case, we have rho s. Rho s is equal to 10 nanocoulomb per meter square, right? So how do we find this ES bar? ES bar is equal to rho s upon 2 epsilon naught A bar N. Right? We will talk about this A bar N later on, because we have to find the direction. Right? So hope you understood. To find the electric field intensity E bar total, EP bar plus EL bar plus ES bar. This is the formula, just similar to the example that we have studied just now. So hope you have started solving this. So electric field intensity because of point charge. So let me write here number 1, E bar due to point charge. Right? So E bar due to point charge, it is for this scenario you have to calculate. So what I said, this is RP bar, right? RP bar is to be calculated from 1, 0, 0 to let's say 1, 1, minus 1. So in that case, RP bar is equal to A bar Y minus A bar Z. Make me correct if I'm wrong. And in that case, unit vector RP bar is equal to A bar Y minus A bar Z divided by under root 2. Right? So if you put on the values, E1 bar is equal to, sorry, this is EP bar is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught RP square A bar RP is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is, value of epsilon naught is 10 raised to minus 9 upon 36 pi. Right? And this magnitude is 2. So get it multiplied by unit vector. Unit vector is A bar Y minus A bar Z divided by under root 2. So all of you can do this calculation in this fashion. Get this term calculated. Ah,
Sir, EP bar is equal to 15.92
15.92,
megavolt
yes.
92 A bar.
Mega, correct, absolutely correct. You can proceed to calculate further part. EP bar, value of EP bar is equal to 15.9 into 10 raised to minus 6. Sorry, this is 10 raised to 6 since it is mega. 10 raised to 6 into A bar Y minus A bar Z. So this is volts per meter. This is the final answer. So to find the next part, what you have is surface charge. To find the electric field intensity due to surface charge, so this is part 2 of this. You have a point charge here where we want the electric field intensity, that is 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. At this point we want the electric field intensity because of line charge, so the line charge is present here. And what values are given? So if you extend this, already given values are x is equal to 2 on this line, z is equal, sorry, x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 2 on this line. So if you extend the foot of perpendicular on this line, what coordinates you will be getting is x value is 0, y value is
0, 1, 2.
1 comma 2, correct. So you have this end coordinates. Find out the vector RL bar. RL bar is equal to, I don't have answer for this, so you have to calculate this vector. So this would be A bar x. 1 minus 1 means it will be 0. So minus 1 minus 2. This is going to be minus 3 A bar z. Right. So RL bar is equal. Now we have calculated RL bar. Unit vector. Unit vector will be A bar RL is equal to minus A bar x. Sorry, plus A bar x minus 3 A bar z divided by under root. Magnitude of this is 1 square plus 3 square, that is 3 square
Under root 10.
under root 10, right? So now you can use the formula
Under
EL,
10.
yes, EL bar is equal to rho L upon 2 pi epsilon naught R L A bar RL. Put on the values. Value is 10 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 10 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 2 pi into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 36 pi into 3.316 is the value of under root 10 multiplied by 3.316, and here A bar x what is the value of under root 10? What is the value of under root 10? Well,
3.16.
I
3.16.
I can directly write here 10.
3.16.
Yes. 10. A bar x minus 3 A bar z. I don't have calculator right now with me, so you can solve this and tell me the answer.
18 A bar x minus 54 A bar Z.
18
A bar X
x, huh?
minus 54 A bar Z.
54
Volts per meter.
A bar Z volts per meter. Okay. So we got a EL bar, and next step is to find the ES bar, right? So to find this ES bar, we have a surface here. Surface is at x is equal to 4, I think, right? So ES bar is rho s is given. Rho s is equal to 10 nanocoulomb per meter square. This value is given, and I want the electric field intensity at a point, let's say 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, right? So you have to compare this point. With this location. This is x is equal to 4, right? And the point is having x value is equal to 1. Point is having x value is equal to 1. So on which side the point is going to be there? Whether on a left side or on a right side?
Left side.
Yes, of course. Once again, the point will be on the left hand side. So this is the point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. So you have to find this electric field intensity because of this surface charge. So for that, RS bar is to be calculated, right? Now not RS bar, actually we have in a formula A bar N, right? So A bar N, what would be the value of A bar N for this case? A bar N is equal to minus A bar X. Absolutely correct, right? So put on the values into the expression. ES bar is equal to rho s upon 2 epsilon naught A bar N. A bar N ची value आहे minus A bar X. So rho s is 10 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 2 into rho s epsilon naught is 10 raised to minus 9 upon 36 pi. A bar N is minus A bar X. The answer of this is can you tell me the answer? I think it is 170. 170, and since it is minus A bar X, so I should write here minus A bar X. बघा सर्वांचं हेच येतं का? Volts per meter. All of you got this answer? 170. Verify it.
65.48 is it?
किती येत आहे?
565.
Answer is
165.48.
55.
565.48.
65.48 A bar X. This has to be minus, na? Minus
Yes.
or plus?
Minus.
Minus, sir.
Minus 565 in 0.4 into A bar X volts per meter is the answer for ES bar. Right? So if you add all those three electric field intensities, you get the final answer for total electric field intensity at point 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Right? Hope you understood the concept. Hope you understood how to solve such kinds of problem if three different charge configurations are given.